Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you click here on this page. After that, you will enter to the window of you will click here on this sign of force stop, then you can enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your